Infection prevention control measures or practices are key, and this needs to be undertaken by all of us. Again, now we are back to basic hand washing with soap and water and alcohol-based sanitizers. Surveillance and contact tracing. This is the most difficult part in terms of outbreak control. It requires a lot of investment to be able to do proper surveillance and contact tracing, because one person in a day can be able to have, on average, how many contacts?
The ministry is up to task and is making every effort to ensure that the country is protected. I'm sure they have been very, very concerned over surveillance efforts, and to reassure Kenyans again that surveillance efforts are in top gear, and everyone, if nothing is being left to chance. We were preparing also to make sure that everyone who is going to respond to the pandemic has the right tools at the right time, so that we also don't lose healthcare workers.